Roots and Rhymes back with another video. My name is Vince and today we're doing an unboxing. Unless you're new to the channel, you probably noticed I love Norse mythology. I'm almost always wearing Mjolnir, Thor's hammer, son of Odin, around my neck. If you're not familiar with the story, here it is in short. Thor wakes up one morning and he finds out that Sif, his wife, her golden hair has been cut off. So you can imagine this pissed him off pretty bad. He was infuriated and he knew that this could only be the doing of Loki, the trickster god. As Thor began breaking Loki's bones, Loki pleaded that the dwarves could make her hair again. I won't dive too deep, but in the end, this is how Thor's hammer Mjolnir was crafted by the sons of Ivaldi, two dwarven brothers, Eitri and Brock, alongside Odin's never-missing spear Gungnir, as well as 4 other of the god's most precious treasures. I wear this pendant as an amulet of protection, strength, resilience, and as a reminder to embrace my flaws. Now, when I found out that Fallkniven had a knife called Thor, I was like, so the knife has finally arrived. We're gonna take a look. Let's get into it. All right, let's pull this beast out. This Fallkniven knife is covered by a 10-year warranty. Sharpen the knife with a flat diamond stone for a razor sharp edge. Finish the sharpening with a ceramic stone. Guys, look at this beast. Here's just the size comparison. This is the Fällkniven NL1 Tor, and already it feels more like a custom masterpiece than a production knife. I mean, this thing is hefty. This thing has some weight to it. It weighs over a pound. Let's take a deeper look. Just look at this blade. Yo, Thor, Thunder God, protector of Asgard. You guys, I'm freaking out. You know what? The blade has a really nice forward balance and just look at the thickness. The spine is a massive 7 millimeters thick, tapering down to a razor sharp hand applied convex grind. It actually feels really good in my hand. It doesn't feel like I'm holding a machete, which I low-key am. Yeah, you already know this is gonna be a crazy good chopper. Fällkniven actually added tungsten to this new formula, which gives it a finer grain and boosts durability by about 20%. The handle is a classic oxhide stacked leather, which feels incredibly nice in my hand. It's super smooth and it actually has a really good grip to it too. We got a nice big stainless guard here. I did a little bit of research about the stacked oxhide leather handle, and apparently over time, with the natural oils of my palm, it's gonna get a nice browner look over time. It's gonna age really nicely. You best bet you if I do decide to have kids, I'm gonna be passing this blade down. At about 15 inches overall, it is a massive premium survival Bowie knife. Now let's go see if it's sharp out the box. That's sharp. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm most definitely gonna be adding a lanyard to this one. I wouldn't want this to fly out of my hands. You know, this has a really nice weight to it. Like, it feels very balanced, feels very agile. Big ass blade, but like easy to maneuver. Like, I think I could actually carve with this pretty well. Like, I could make some good notches with this. For you gamers out there, I feel like, you know, I just looted a legendary weapon, a super rare S+, SSS+, you know? This is the type of vibe I'm getting right now. Yeah, this is insane. So I just looked up why they add this string here at the bottom of the sheath, and it turns out that this is a leg tie, so that if I'm running or walking a lot and I feel like the blade is bouncing on my leg, I could just tie it down to my leg I think it's fair to say that this blade lives up to his name. We'll see how it holds up over the next few months and years. I'm not worried. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button. We're on the road to 1,000 right now. Next big milestone for the channel. Also, hit that like button and leave a comment down below if you have anything to say whatsoever. Last but not least, I'll see you in the woods, my friend.